Hi everyone, Courtney Rolston here. If you're in need of some inspiration or some fresh ideas for the kids' lunchboxes, then I have got the perfect recipe. My pea and broccoli fritters use really simple, affordable, everyday ingredients. They're a cinch to make and I think your kids will love them. The best thing about this recipe is that you can either prepare it ahead of time, you can cook a big batch and either have these in the fridge cold, ready to be eaten or to be reheated, or you can make the batter and simply have the batter sitting in the fridge and you can cook these fresh every day for either morning tea, afternoon tea. Just grab yourself a mixing bowl. You'll need 2 cups of frozen peas for this recipe. And I've just blanched these, let them cool. 1.5 cups of the peas goes into a blender and you just want to blitz this into a rough paste. Then all you need to do is place the mushy peas into a bowl which contains the other 1/2 cup of whole peas and 1 cup of broccoli florets that I've just sliced up nice and fine. So pop in the mashed peas into the bowl, about 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. I've got 2 green spring onions that I've just sliced up, 1/4 cup of milk. I've got 4 free-range eggs and I'm just going to crack the eggs into the bowl. Pop in a pinch of salt, pop in 1 cup of self-raising flour, and I've got 150 grams of feta cheese. You could use any cheese that's in your fridge at home and just crumble that up. Grab yourself a spoon and just give that a good mix until you've got a nice wet pancake looking batter. When you're ready to cook the fritters, all you need to do is heat a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into a pan that's on a nice medium heat. I find it easiest to do this with 2 tablespoons. And just grab some of the batter in 1 spoon and use the other spoon to just get that into the pan. And you should be able to cook 4 or 5 off in a large pan all at once. You'll notice some bubbles coming up around the outside, and when the fritters puff up, they're ready to turn over. And that's what you're looking for, nice and puffy and fluffy and a beautiful little bit of golden color on the outside. Cook them nice and gentle. They'll need about 2 or 3 minutes on each side to get them cooked through to the middle. All right, our fritters are looking beautiful. Just take them out and pop them on a plate. Something to serve on the side with the fritters. I'm going to mix up a little yogurt here. So I've got some Greek yogurt and I'm simply going to add into that some sliced up mint. I'm going to sweeten with a little bit of maple syrup, or you could use some honey, a pinch of sea salt. Just give that a mix and pop that into a serving dish. And finish that with a little extra lemon zest and some extra virgin olive oil over the top and pop that on the side of the plate with the fritters.